HBAR broke a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Once again, we have been absolutely killing it in our Telegram channel. This is just another reminder for those of you that haven't joined yet. We are providing daily updates on charts of all your favorite coins as well as your favorite trades. So make sure to check out the link in the bio if you want to. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another HBAR analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see from yesterday's video, we were testing a very crucial resistance point here at 0.08. Of course, we ended up breaking below our support level, retesting it as resistance. We ended up taking a beautiful 30% trade in terms of our Telegram channel for an amazing profit. And as of right now, I mentioned to you guys, of course, the fact that we will be looking for a pullback, but I was paying very close attention here to 0.08. The reason why, of course, is you can see that HBAR actually managed to break above that level, but we ended up retesting our exponential moving averages, rejecting and had a very strong bearish engulfing candle, trading right back into that support line. As of right now, of course, we are seeing multiple retest opportunities with no clean breakout formation, so all eyes remain down here at 0.073. The reason why, of course, is if we end up breaking below this support line here, of course, in the midterm at 0.08, this is our confirmation that we are looking for further downside movements because of the fact that this is going to become the third test opportunity. As you guys already know, on the third test, we tend to see a massive breakdown formation. Of course, from a bullish case scenario, if somehow the bulls can try to break above these exponential moving averages, the main target remains here at 0.09. Getting above this level, of course, was extremely difficult. You can see that we saw multiple retests on the 4-hour time frames with no clean breakout formation. And when we got that breakout, we did see that beautiful retest on 0.097, which I mentioned to you guys many times. I am not going to be looking for a shorting position until we retest that resistance. The reason why, of course, is if you guys see here on the daily time frame, that area of resistance was a very strong magnet, and we saw multiple retest opportunities before we ended up breaking below on HBAR, and this is exactly what we saw at current price action. As of right now, you can see on the daily we saw a beautiful gravestone doji, as well as the fact that we are trading below our exponential moving averages. We are retesting the 20 exponential multiple times, and usually when you test an exponential moving average multiple times on the daily time frame, we tend to have a massive breakdown formation. If you guys pay attention as well, you'll notice the fact that, of course, this is probably the first time in a very long time that we have broken below our exponential moving averages and are starting to look for that retest opportunity towards the downside. So it's going to be very crucial for us to actually see that breakdown formation, and if we do get that breakdown, our overall target from the bearish case, of course, remains at 0.073. But if we end up breaking below this level and retesting it, ladies and gentlemen, this could be an absolutely disgusting trade opportunity towards the downside, retesting our overall target here at 0.057. I talked about this target a while ago, of course, because of the fact that you can see when HBAR ended up having this massive short squeeze opportunity, we never really saw a retest opportunity before that continuation. We just had a massive move to the upside, followed by a consolidation zone, and then another leg towards the upside, grabbing the liquidity, but now we were in extreme overbought conditions. You can see, of course, that HBAR was in extreme overbought conditions on the RSI, and now we are slowly treading back towards the downside, but it's going to be very crucial for us to try to see that pullback opportunity overall. If you see here, even on the hourly time frame, of course, the fact that we are retesting this level as resistance without any clean confirmation towards the upside, this is obviously showing the lack of bullish volume coming into the market. Before we were trading our exponential moving averages and using them as resistance, I mentioned to you guys many times that if we start to see a pattern formation like this, this is only going to be looking for a shorting opportunity down to this level here at 0.08. You can see how perfectly that played out, and now we're still using this level as resistance. There's absolutely no reason to be looking for a long position until we get that breakout formation to the upside. Now, of course, if you guys pay attention here on the hourly, you'll notice that we do have have somewhat of a W formation being formed. Of course, this is on the hourly, so it could be very manipulated, but if we do end up breaking above this key resistance level here at 0.083 on the lower time frames, this W formation could be possibly looking to play out. But of course, if we end up breaking below our exponential moving averages, which of course is a lot more likely right now since we are retesting this level multiple times, this is going to be an absolutely disgusting move. I'm going to be paying very close attention to our daily time frame and seeing how these exponential moving averages react, because if we do end up breaking below this level and using it as resistance, that's going to be our confirmation towards the downside. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.